This is us. Daniel and I met in 2016, and he came with 3 amazing kids. We were finally able to buy a house in 2017, and while we loved the house, we knew that we were going to have to work hard to make it our own. We started out 2020 finding out that we were pregnant, and at that point, we knew that our adventure had just begun. So follow along with us as we raise our family, embark on all kinds of crazy adventures, turn our house into a home, and grow our southern roots. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out our channel. We are super stoked to share projects and our family adventures with you all. We're actually going to start out with a smaller project, one we've been meaning to do for a while. Our mailbox actually was in dire need of a facelift. That's something that we actually completed last weekend. Probably about a month ago, we looked into actually replacing the mailbox. It's going to cost us about $150 to buy a brand new one that we really liked. So we just kind of opted right now for the spray paint and just giving it a good facelift. And let me tell you something, it looks 10 times better than what it did before. So that's what today's video is going to be on. It's going to be us refinishing our mailbox. And if you enjoy the video after it's done, please feel free to like and subscribe to our videos so you can follow along with us as we continue to do projects and as we continue to experience life and have adventures. We actually have a pretty cool event happening this weekend for us. We are getting to take our 2-year-old to a Monster Jam show in Nashville. So we're super stoked about that. And if you would like to follow along with us, please like and subscribe. And hope you enjoy. Thanks. So this is the before of the mailbox. Not great. We started off by removing the stickers with a razor blade and making sure that all the residue was off. Here you will see the handyman taking off the flag. Once we had the flag off, the only thing left we had to do to prep was to wash down the mailbox. Washed, it is dry, we've removed the door, we removed the flag. Now it's time to paint. Got some of this Fusion Krylon. Somebody was making fun of the way I was spray painting the mailbox. So here we are. The pro is out here spray painting. So we always have lots of help. Do you help? Is your corn dog good? It is. So my professional spray painter has officially done 2 coats of spray paint on the mailbox. She's looking pretty good compared to the way she was. So he put the door back on, spray painted it black. Little flag with water. What the heck? Anyways. So I hate this. I hate putting these stickers on here because I cannot for the life of me get these right. Are they right? Yeah. They are. They are not right. They are crooked. And I feel like the 7 is not the same size as the 2, but that's probably my fault. The only good thing is I've actually been able to unpeel them and put them back on somewhat straight. So, and I can't do this and hold my phone, so let's see. Oh, good God. That's better. Only a lot more to go. And this is the finished product. Thanks for watching.